everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for the week of April 20th through the 26th. And I apologize if you hear some background noise. My husband's taking a meeting in the next room. The dog is walking around. So just lots going on today. So the theme for this week's spread is going to be pastel. I'm going to start off with some washi tape. As you can tell, I use the vertical layout in the classic sized happy planner. And I don't plan hourly. I don't even really plan my day out chronologically. I really enjoy doing these layouts for artistic creativity. And so I just designate blocks of each day where I can list out or highlight important things for that day. I've gone ahead and pre-selected some stickers, pastel colors. This one caught my eye. I'm going to run it down the side, trying to make sure I get it straight. Not bad, not bad. Now we go with my big quote sticker. Now is the new later. I love that, especially these days. And then I thought this was pretty. I'm gonna put this over here as one of my, well, no, I guess I'll leave it. I was gonna cut it down, but I kind of like it being big. In fact, I think I'm gonna just run it all the way to the edge of the page. I think we'll put this one here. And that's kind of crooked. Oh, screw it. I'm just gonna leave it. There's so many pretty pastel stickers. So now I'm going in and I'm kind of putting in where I'm going to put my, you know, lists, checklist, boxes, etc., etc. Cute. Got my little reminder here for making time to plan for the week. And then I saw this sticker. It says, "Life happens, coffee helps." I'm gonna make a slight edit. I think I'm going to put it right here. There we go. Okay, so that's it for this week's spread. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of more content that I post, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my community. Thanks, guys. Bye.